the Mr. Beast box. Gotcha. Try it and see where I'm going, isn't it? When you're ready, you know what I see where I'm going? So right now, the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright. The leverage, yeah. Welcome back. Leverage Nation, Leverage Boss TV. You know anything going on, say your boy Eclips aka Leverage Boss. And you know, say today we're gonna do one thing we're not doing a long while, you know. We're gonna do Mr. Beast meal, Zaxby. So right now, we don't want to drive while we are doing this. We're on our way. So check out and see where we're going. We're going to Zaxbys. You see? Data leverage. Leverage. You don't know anything go. We'll check out the meal and see where we're going. Don't know, say famous Mr. Beast, you know? So yeah, that's where we're going. Because I don't know, eyes on the road all the time. You know anything go. Data leverage. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, I don't know. We're there. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so I don't know. We're there. We're there. Zaxbys. Well, I was watching Mr. Beast thing. You don't know. We see him have a meal, a Mr. Beast meal, a Zaxbys, you know. So this location right now, currently in Florida. It's in West Palm Beach, so you know I was passing by and say, hey, you know, we're in the area, so check it out and see. So we're gonna do a quick taste and see what it tastes like, or see what it comes with. You don't know, I will show you what I go on. So you know, check in quick and fast. That's a leverage. See what the building look like. Zaxbys. Bah. Leverage. Yeah, so we'll get the order now. We'll make the order, so let's see what it look like. Thank you.
Yes, Leverage Nation, so this is a quick little preview. Posters on the wall, they have the things, attitudes. You don't know. Mr. Beast, and then posters, Zaxbys, Mr. Beast Feastables. You know, well known poster. That's me. I'm getting a Sprite, finish, get everything. To me, light eye settings. You know a leverage man. Walking out right now. Yeah, me get my bag. A goodies and thing. What, tinotan. Let's check out what I go on now with the reviews. Quick thing.
Yes, so Leverage Nation, we get the food. We're out here. We're in West Palm. We're at Zaxbys. But you know Zaxbys have the Mr. Beast special. So yeah, right now we get some Coke. Hot Coke. Sprite. Sorry, Coke left of my mind now. Yeah, so you know them. Do them fusion with them. So we're gonna do a quick test. Let's see what we get in there. We get the Mr. Beast Feastables. Yeah. These are the milk and chocolate. Yeah. And they have some sauce. Zaxby sauce. I don't know what type is that one. Oh, and this is the ranch. I guess this is the Zaxby specific thing, you know? So yeah, Leverage Nation, check in and see where I go on. We have the Mr. Beast box. Gotcha. Try it and see where I go on, isn't it? When you're ready, you know what I see where I go on? So right now, it look like they have some form of toast bread and fries, chicken tenders, and I would say nuggets, I'm not sure, but look. See that? Make us try something, make us get a better look. See what I see right now. See it here? Got the bread. I don't know what that is. There's nuggets, fries, tenders. Yeah. So let's see where I go. Kinda full, so we just pass by and say we get a taste test. So don't know. Yardy, I try to support the Mr. Beast thing. Although you really we support, but yeah. Fries. We try the fries without anything. Fries is good. Tastes like a fries with what you would get at like maybe them corner store that sell wings and fries. To me, ain't nothing special. It goes same way. I give it a for fries. How bad can you go on fries? So I give it an 8 out of 10 because it tastes good, and but you know it don't have no special. You know, like how some other restaurant would have like their special season, but it's just plain fry with thing. So yeah. That's it for the fries. The tender. I tried the tenders with some Zaxby sauce and dip it. And sit. So it's gonna be a quick thing, guys. Nothing too much. Okay. Tastes good. I can't describe, but it tastes good like a fry breast. It's good. It's on the safe side. Sorry, it's on the safe side. Try it with the Zaxby sauce. Zaxby sauce of like a sweet thing to it. I can't describe it. It tastes like, I don't know. Let me try again. I wouldn't say buffalo, but something similar towards that. Alright. Try the ranch. That's the Zaxby's ranch, because you know only, I guess, the box Mr. Beast supply, I guess. What do you call this? Tater tots? Oh. See, up in there. Not my favorite thing. It don't taste good, but I don't like the texture. It have like a soft texture inside. I don't know what it be, but it's good. It doesn't taste bad, but not my thing. So let's get Leverage Nation. We'll try the Mr. Beast Feastables milk chocolate brand. You ready? You ready? Let's go. Let's try it. Watch it. Why I can't pull it in a Leverage Nation? Oh, it's melting already. Out here kinda, the heat kinda. I go on. Nah, tell a lie. The heat kinda out here, you know? Watch. It's melt already. You see it melt? Watch it. Oh, drop. Alright, let's try it. Not really a big chocolate person, Leverage Nation, but let's just try it. It have the... Wow. It have the Feastables written on it. Nice. Let's try it. Moment of truth. Let's try Mr. Beast chocolate. I'm always a boss boy. Milk chocolate. It tastes similar to Hershey's to me. I'm not a big chocolate person, but yeah. For chocolate, I don't know. It don't give me too much sweet vibes, but it's sweet. If I eat maybe too much of it, but the one something I taste, it tastes alright. So I give it a strong as chocolate. 9. Give it a 9. So alright, Leverage Nation, and see, we try. Oh, the toast bread. You ready? Texture. Alright. Regular toast bread, but tastes good. Something for full of belly, guys. Something for full of belly. And that's something I would get up and say, oh, I feel for Mr. Beast today. Why? But I feel for Zaxbys Mr. Beast box today. You see me? Yeah. You see me? But it's a good look. Big up Mr. Beast. You see me? Don't know. Thanks for checking out Leverage Nation. Remember for always like, comment, share and subscribe. And this feels like a beast. Until next time, Leverage Nation, hope you like it. Tell me if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, remember, always like, comment, share and subscribe. Sprite, data leverage. Until next time.